Our microproject is automatic door control system. For this we need two IR sensors, L229 3D motor driver, and a Arduino and DVD loader as a gate, and some connecting wires. Arduino Uno has 838P IC, and it is a microcontroller board. It has many digital, analog and digital output and input. It is used to connect to different circuits. And this is IR sensors. It has 3 pins: output, ground, and VCC. And this LED emits the light, and this is a photodiode. When any obstacle comes, this LED emits the light and it is reflects and it is received by the photodiode, and its output is given by out. And this is the L29 3D motor driver, and it has L29 3D IC. It has motor in, motor out, and power supply. And we are using DVD loader as a door. It has a motor and some connecting wires. Let's start the connection. Now firstly we have to connect these two wires to this. This M1 out. On this front only we have to connect, give the input to M1 in. This is the M1 out. We have to connect these two wires here. Let me connect and show you. Now we have to connect this. Now we have to connect these two pins to this transmitter 1 and receiver 0. First we will connect these two, transmitter 1 and this one to transmitter 0, because I have programmed this pin only. Now we have to do the connection of this IR sensor. There are 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. Now we have to connect this pin to the VCC, and I have given this. We have joined these two wires and given single cut, and we are giving both the IR sensor VCC. Now for the ground we have to connect to GND, and this pin to this one. and lastly the ground pin. Now we have to connect this. This VCC to the 5 supply, 1, 2, 3, 4th one, 5 supply pin, and ground to the GND, 3rd one, and lastly the output pin to the AO, because I have programmed the digital input of this IR sensor output to A0, and we have to connect at A0. Now we will connect the power supply for this L293D motor driver. It is jack to power the Arduino. Now our connections are over. Now let's go and see its programming. This is our programming part. We have defined defined the door sensor AO. I said the IR sensor output is connected to AO, and the M11 as I defined M11 that motor input 0 and 1, and the pin mode M11 as the output and pin load M12 is the output, and those sensor IR sensor we are given as the input, and we are given a total 3000 delay. And for the void loop, if digital write dose sensor, when the IR sensor get high, the gates open, and we have for delay for 100,000 seconds, and after that it will gate stop for a while and gate close, and gate is closed. If no person move across, the gate should not automatically open. That's why I given this else condition. Both the digital write pin M11 and M12 will be low, and M11 and M12 I given at 0 and 1. And now let's verify it. Now Compiling is done, and compiling is done, and now I have uploaded the program to the Arduino also. Now as we see, we have uploaded the program also. Now let's see it's working. I giving the 9-volt power supply to the motor and to the Arduino. Now you can see when a person moves, the gate opens, and after some delay it will close. If a person wants to come from that side, the gates opens, after some delay it will be closed. When it is high, it gets high when the person can go inside. As we see, it gets high. After some delay it will go, and from when person comes on this side, it gets high. After some delay it gets closed. This is the output of our project.